case study tracing a missing marine engineer Bremerhaven client background, a UK-based shipping and marine engineering firm contacted Bond Reese to trace a missing marine engineer who had travelled to Bremerhaven, Germany to oversee the maintenance and repair of a key vessel docked at one of the city's busy ports. Bremerhaven, known for its major maritime industry and shipbuilding, is one of Europe's largest ports and a critical hub for marine logistics. The engineer was responsible for ensuring that the ship's mechanical systems were properly serviced and ready for its next voyage. After missing several crucial project meetings and failing to respond to communication attempts, the firm became concerned about the engineer's whereabouts and the progress of the ship's repairs. The investigation, Bond Reese gathered all relevant details regarding the engineer's recent activities, communications and accommodations. The engineer had been staying near Bremerhaven's industrial port area, close to the shipyards and maritime service facilities where the vessel was being repaired. The last known communication was a phone call confirming the engineer's attendance at a technical review of the ship's propulsion system, taking place at one of the dockside facilities in the Überhafen District. Digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data and financial transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer near the shipyard in Überhafen, but after that no further communication was recorded. Bond Reese reached out to dock workers, local contractors and hotel staff to gather additional information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had been seen working on the ship but did not return to their hotel or attend scheduled follow-up meetings. On-the-ground investigation in Bremerhaven. Bond Reese dispatched local investigators to Bremerhaven, focusing on the Überhafen District, the shipyard and transportation routes around the port. Investigators reviewed CCTV footage from the dockside facilities and nearby areas to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team discovered that the engineer had stayed late at the shipyard to conduct a thorough review of the ship's propulsion system, aiming to address a last-minute mechanical issue. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had experienced a medical emergency while performing a late-night inspection on board the vessel. The engineer collapsed due to exhaustion after working long hours on the mechanical systems. Dock workers found the engineer unconscious and called for medical assistance, but delays in communication and lost identification prevented the hospital from notifying the company in a timely manner. Outcome: Bond Reese quickly located the marine engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this crucial information to the shipping firm in London. After receiving medical treatment and rest, the engineer was able to recover and return to the project, ensuring that the ship's repairs were completed and the vessel was ready to resume operations. Why Bond Reese? This case demonstrated Bond Reese's expertise in managing investigations within the maritime industry, particularly in major port cities like Bremerhaven. By combining advanced digital forensics, local knowledge of marine logistics, and efficient on-the-ground search operations, Bond Reese ensured the safe recovery of the missing engineer, allowing the shipping firm's project to proceed without significant disruption